Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino explaining. Before I forget, please, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. So we can start. Here's a problem. Find the matrix of representation of T from real space in two dimension to real space in two dimension defined by Tx y is equals to 2y minus 2x minus y relative to the standard basis E1 1 0 E2 0 1 that belongs to real space in two dimensions. Solution. So the first step, we write it as a linear combination of E1 and E2. So let A B that belongs to squared or real space in two dimensions, we write it as a linear combination of E1 and E2. That is A, that is A B is equals to lambda 1 what's our E1 1 0. You can write lambda 1 E1 plus lambda 2 E2, but our E1 is 1 0, so lambda 1 1 0 plus lambda 2 E2 is 0 1, so that we have this times this, lambda 1 times 1, it is lambda 1 times 0 is 0 lambda 1 plus lambda 2 times 0 is 0 lambda 2 times 1 is lambda 2, which is equals to AB. Okay, so we can confidently say that this part is taking the first part before this comma is for A. I mean this is for A, this for B, this A, this for B. Are you there? So A is equals to lambda 1, this one, plus 0 lambda 2, this one. Then B is equals to 0 lambda 1 plus lambda 2. This is the same as B is equals to lambda 2. Since this is 0, this is 0, A is equals to lambda 1. So AB is equals to A. Are you seeing this? We have found that A is equals to lambda 1. So here we have said that lambda 1 E1 plus lambda 2 E2 is equals to AB, and have found that lambda 1 is equals to A, then lambda 2 is equals to B. So we just substitute where is lambda 1, substitute with A, where is lambda 2, substitute with with B. So here it will be A E1 plus lambda. What's lambda 2? Lambda 2 is B. Are you there? B E2. So T E1, which is equals to T in that the second step, you can say the first step, this is the second step now. T E1 is equals to T. What's E1? E1 is 1 0 1 0. So we substitute this in our equation. Are you there? X is 1, X is 1, Y is 0. So X is 1, Y is 0. So here will be 0, since 2 times 0 is 0. Or you can just substitute. Can we do it here? No problem. So we substitute. Here is X is 1, Y is 0. So we substitute this in this equation given dx y. So it is 2 y is 0. So it will be 0 0 here. Are you seeing? Then 2x. So 2 times x. What is x? X is 1 times 1 minus y. What's y? 1 0. Y is 0. So minus 0. So that we have 2 times 0 is 0. Then 2 times 1 minus 0 is 2. Are we there? And this gives us 0 0 E1 plus 2 E2. Why have we written this way? Because I've said that remember, this is for A, this is for B, and we have said that AB is equals to A E1 plus B E2. So this for A, so we just write 0 E1. Then for B is 2 E2. The next step, we move to T E2. We do it the same way. So E2 is 0 1 from the question, 0 1, so that we have X is 0, Y is 1. So we just substitute here the same way. Substitute, get 2 Y is 1, then 2 here times 0, since X is 0, then minus Y is 1, and we have 2 negative 1. So A, this for A, then this for B, and we have said that AB is equals to A E1 plus B E2. So you have 2 E1 plus minus E2. Are we there? So at that point, we now write the matrix representation of the coefficient. The matrix of coefficient. Matrix of coefficient is, we just now pick this, just copy 0 2 2 negative 1. That's the matrix of coefficient, and its transpose transpose is, the transpose is written as this way, T E. That means the transpose. So, and its transpose, when you are writing a matrix, given a matrix, then you are asked to write it or to give each transpose, the rows becomes the columns right there. So this is the first row, this will become the first column. So it becomes, since it is 0 2 is a first row, so it comes the first column 0, these are the rows, then these are the columns right there. So 0 2, it will be 0 2 right there. Then this, the second row will become the second column, so these two we write here, it here, then this one, and that becomes the transpose. Up to there you have solved the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a comment under the comment section, and very important, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye bye.